for a lot of you, because a lot of you won't want to work in radians. Now, some teachers might say if I start you in radians, you need to stay in radians until the end of the problem. I really don't care. If you want to take the time to convert out of radian mode and work in degrees, that's fine by me. So, when you convert degrees to radians or radians to degrees, there's your multiplier. These are what I would call sneaky forms of 1. Right? They both mean the same thing. They both mean the right-hand side of the unit circle. Or excuse me, for you guys, the left-hand side of the unit circle. Other teachers do 2 pi over 360. Why would they do that? So that is the right-hand side of the unit circle, right? You could use 90 degrees and pi over 2. You can use 270 degrees and 3 pi over 2. Use any sneaky form you want. I use pi over 180 because the numbers are the smallest, and I'm not dealing with any fractions. So, when you want to go from degrees to radians, I want to get rid of the degree bubble, right? So I literally think about putting 180 degrees on the bottom and pi on top, because in my head I'm really thinking chunga chunga, get rid of the degree bubble. Right? I've eliminated the degree bubble. So what's left? I have 135 pi over 180. Can 135 over 180 be reduced? 135 divided by, I already forgot what I wrote down. 180. Math, enter, enter. 3 pi over 4. That will take you all of 5 seconds. Most of you probably won't convert from degrees to radians though. But times pi over 180. Literally, I'm thinking about getting rid of that degree bubble. What does 100 over 180 simplify down to?
Negative 5/9.
Negative 5/9, and then you have pi back up there. Pretty slick, right? This one, though, is the money maker for you guys. You know, if I start saying what's coterminal of 5 pi over 3, or what's the complementary or supplementary, it's a lot easier to be in degrees. So I want to get rid of pi, so what do I have to do? Where's pi going to go? We want the pi in the bottom, so give me a sneaky form of 1 with pi in the bottom. Probably 180 over pi is the easiest. Literally, get rid of pi. 5 times 180 divided by 3, 180 divided by 3 times 5, however you do it. 300 degrees. Negative 2 pi over 3, what are you going to do? Sneaky form of 1 with pi on the bottom. Get rid of pi. Again, I would probably in my head do 180 divided by 3, which is 60, times negative 2. And I get negative 120 degrees.